Today, we are diving into the term sheet psychology because the best deals aren't just about who offers the highest valuation. They are about who structures the terms that founders actually want to accept and live with for years. The term sheet psychology foundation. Let's start with what most investors get wrong about the term sheet negotiation. Most investors focus 80% of their attention on the valuation and 20% on terms. Sophisticated investors reverse the ratio, and here's why. The founder's psychology reality, from initial reaction to decision making to long term impact. Founders first look at the valuation, which is mainly a mix of the ego and the validation, and then they choose based on the terms, investor value add, and the relationship. Finally, the terms determine the day-to-day working relationship for years to come. The common mistakes that most investors make out here is competing solely on valuation instead of total value proposition, or optimizing for downside protection at the expense of founder motivation. This brings us to beyond valuations, the terms that actually matter. Here are the terms that sophisticated investors optimize for maximum impact. When we are talking about the board composition and control, the standard approach is 2 founders, 1 investor, 2 independents. The advanced strategy out there is to offer board observer seat instead of a voting seat. Then we come to the option pool creation and timing, the standard being to create 15 to 20% option pool before the investment. It actually dilutes the founders. When we are talking about the anti-dilution and the protective provisions, a weighted average versus a full ratchet ones, wherein weighted average shows a partnership approach. This brings us to the rights and preferences, wherein the standard liquidation preferences being 1x non-participating preferred. Now, when we are talking about the pro rata rights, maintain ownership percentage in the future round. Finally, we have the drag along and the tag along provisions. The drag along being that founders can force sale if the majority agrees. Tag along being that investors can participate if founder liquidate events happen. This brings us to structuring for long-term success and exit optimization. Now, sophisticated investors structure terms that optimize for eventual exit value, not just the downside protection. When founders are excited to work with you because how you've structured the relationship, you'll get access to better deals and build more valuable companies. The goal isn't to win negotiations, it is to create structures wherein everyone wins when the company